Let's go. Now everybody sing that shit. Shit.
I've already moisturized my skin and applied sunscreen, so I'm straight up gonna go to foundation. Now, I do realize that foundation is not something for every day. Like, I know most people don't apply foundation every day, but the basic trick is that when you're applying foundation on an everyday basis, apply less product and more blending, so it gives you such a natural finish after that. And I literally use like half a pump of foundation, and it just gives my skin a natural glow, and that's what I absolutely love about this. And if you want like more coverage on a certain area, like just suppose I have this acne mark here and here, so I can just go over on my foundation, and I can definitely like just, so you would see a lot of lighting change and a little bit of disturbance because it's raining outside. Like, it's not raining outside, it's more like it's gonna rain outside, so there is gonna be changing in the lighting, so I hope you bear with that. So for concealer, obviously I'm using the lifting technique, literally obsessed with this. It just works out great. And then I got this huge acne today. Like, I don't understand how do acne like grow overnight and it takes like days to go. एक दिन में आया तो एक दिन में जाओ भी ना. Set my eyes a little. By the way, like lately I've started having blackheads on my nose, and I'm like very worried कि क्यों. I've never had blackheads. Like, if you guys know anything that I can do for my blackheads, please comment down. I'm like, so I don't want. I mean, I know about those charcoal strip thing that you do for your nose, but I've heard that you shouldn't because it gets you more blackheads. So these days I've been watching like a lot of Vogue videos where Hailey Bieber does her makeup and stuff. So I saw this thing that Hailey and Gigi both did, that they used like a skin color crease shade, and then they just used shimmer, and their eyes looked so flawless with some wing liner obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this shade, which is great for my eyes, I guess. I'm just gonna use this shimmer shade. So next up, I'm gonna use the color. Next up, I'm gonna use a highlighter, and I'm using Champagne Pop instead of the Master Chrome because I feel that Master Chrome is way too blinding, and for an everyday, it's not very suitable. Like, for an everyday, you want something that is natural and gives you like a skin like glow something. For the last step, I'm just gonna go in with like a coral shade because it's summertime and coral shades are so great for summer. So, and this new thing that I've learned is that you tap the lipstick and then you take your finger and blend it out, so it looks very very natural. And leave it. And blend it. because I'm like literally obsessed with gloss these days. I don't know what is this obsession. I never used to like glosses, but then these days I'm like obsessed. By this we come to the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and I want you guys to comment down what do you want to see, because it's more like I'm just like making videos that I have in mind, but I want to know that what are the videos that you guys want to see, because it's more like you have to watch the video at the end of the day, so you should have a say in that. So that is why, tell me what do you want to see, comment down, and I'll try to make them as soon as possible. Okay, I love you.